Okay, so want to show an interesting phenomena on the ventilator, and especially everybody should know, especially the nursing staff who is working on the ventilator. So this is a volume control mode, and we have set a tidal volume of 450. But in volume control mode, we know that the 450 tidal volume will be delivered no matter what are the settings. So you see, but here the 450 tidal volume is not coming, it is 378 somewhere. On the graph also, we see it is somewhere around 400. So that means this value is correct. The 450 we are targeted, but it is delivered. That means there is some leakage of there is some leakage of the air in the circuit. So how we'll check that? This is the volume time scaler. This is the inspiration and this is the expiration. This is the inspiration and this is the expiration. Now you see that the expiratory limb is not touching to the baseline. Inspiration start and expiration is not touching to the baseline. That means there is a leak in the circuit. So leak in the circuit could be anywhere. It can be in the limb or in the filter or somewhere anybody else. But one most common thing which we forget is the cuff pressure. If the cuff is a little bit deflated, uh, so there is becomes a gap between the trachea and the cuff, and the air leaks from there. That's why it can happen that the tidal volume is leaked from there, and it's not properly delivered to the patient. So I'll inflate the cuff and let's see what happens. Now we'll see. Now you see that now the expiratory limb is touching the baseline. It is touching the baseline. And now 450 we are dealing, and now the tidal volume is, so we have fixed the leak. So always remember, if the expiratory limb of the volume time scaler is not touching the baseline, there is some leak and you need to find the leak in the circuit. Do read more about it.